how can I make my team members motivated and productive in work? If you're a boss, you're a CEO, you have a company and you have issues with your team, I think this is for you. Nah, I know this is for you, because at the end of this video, you're going to see how you'll be able to work with this annoying set of team who hates you like hell. There are certain things that you are not doing, and there are certain things that you are doing wrong. Now, follow me. The last one, emotions. So when it comes to emotions, do not neglect the fact that whatever you say has either a positive or a negative effect to them. When you don't pick out your words right and you don't care about how they feel, or you don't take notice, conscious and observant enough to see how they feel, their mood at certain times and all of that, you are going to jeopardize everything. See, one thing that makes people hate people is the impressions they give and the attitude they give. Now, if you don't give them a good attitude, they're going to give you a bad response. And just so you know, you own the company. You are the owner of that company. So if that company is going to crash because of a worker's inefficiency, you'll be the one at loss. If that company is going to have a bad reputation because of the gossip that one of the workers did outside of the workplace to someone or to one of their friends that they are open with, and they just had a very bad day at work and they decide to pour out their emotions and their hurt feelings at them, and someone out there heard it and your reputation got tarnished, the most you can do is to just fire the person. That's it, right? But what about your company's reputation? What about the company you have built from scratch? What about the hard work you have put into this company? And you're going to let just one single person's gossip and bad mouth caused by your bad attitude, or rather, sorry to say, wrong attitude towards them, lead to that downfall of your company? I'll be honest with you, it's not worth it. There are certain things that I know for a fact that if you're a leader, you have to take to notice. And that has to do with reminding yourself that you are humans and the people you're working with are humans too. When you constantly remind yourself of that, you will realize that even if you want to wrongly rebuke them or wrongly correct them, you remember their emotions. And just in case you just blurt out and maybe just blast at them annoyingly without thinking, what happens to later on? You can literally come back and call them and nicely talk to them, and correct and right your wrong. That way they will see, people love it when they know that you care about them and you have them at heart. That way they'll be motivated and interested to do what you want them to do. And even if they don't know how to do it, because they care about your company, because they care about you, so they definitely will care about your company, they will want to go out of their way to learn how to do that thing well. Efficiency at work comes with efficiency as a person. If as a person I'm not efficient, I cannot be efficient at work. You can learn anything. So your workers can learn anything you want them to learn. But it comes with them being motivated to want to do it. And how will they be motivated? It's if they truly care about you and the company. How will they care about you and the company? It's if they know that you care about them also. This thing is reciprocal. Be transparent. They'll be transparent to you. Just communicate well. They will communicate well with you. Show your emotions well. They will show their emotions well with you. These three things are one of the vital things I think is often lacking at work and leads to lack of motivation and lack of productivity at work. Well, those are not the only things. There are other things that you can actually imbibe, but you can learn this and make this thing work if, like I said, you constantly remind yourself that you're not just working with robots, you're not working with stones or abstract objects, you're working with humans as you. They've got emotions, they've got feelings, and they got intelligence. So they know when to read your emotions bad, and they know when to read your emotions good. And they do know when you don't have them at heart. Well, this is all for this video, and as usual, send in your thoughts in the comments below and I'll do well by you to answer them with a video in the next video. See ya!